In a small village in northern Italy, near the ancient city of Lucca, there lived a pious chemist, whose name was Henry Galgani. He had 5 boys and 3 girls, who all died when they were young except 3, who were still living in 1914. Their mother belonged to a noble Italian family, and on 12th March 1878 her eldest daughter was born. She was baptized the next day, receiving the name of Gemma, which in English means gem, and the little girl does indeed shine today as a gem in the Church of God. To look at, she was just the same as any other little girl, but her soul was beautiful in God's sight. When she was only 2 years old, she was sent to a school like a kindergarten during the day, but used to return home each night. Gemma's mother was, as people say, a saint. She taught her little daughter all about Almighty God, our Blessed Lady, the angels, and the saints. Often she used to show her a crucifix and say, "Look, Gemma, how this dear Jesus died on the cross for us." And Gemma would eagerly listen to all her mother told her about the sufferings of our dear Lord, even following her about the house to say, "Mamma, tell me a little more about Jesus." Before she was 7 years old, Gemma made her first confession. But soon after this her mother became very ill. This was a great grief to Gemma. She used to kneel by her mother's pillow while they prayed together, till her father sent her away to be taken care of by a kind aunt. The little girl went without a murmur, but she never saw her dear mother again, for she died soon after. Not very long after this, Gemma was sent to school again, this time to a convent. Gemma was delighted, and a long time afterwards, speaking of it, she said, "I began to go to the school of the Sisters. I was in Paradise." She very soon made friends with her companions, who learnt to love her dearly, and before long Gemma was the life and soul of the place. Almost at once she asked to be allowed to make her first Holy Communion. Although 9 years of age, Gemma was very small for her age,